created one format here so that.
Hi friends, good evening. This is Shrikant, Love Elliott. Today we will be having a webinar on advanced Elliott Wave analysis in simplified manner. I request not to skip this video and watch this continuously, then you will get a full knowledge on it.
In that one, so I have already mentioned what I am going to share here. So this is the agenda. So this I am going to explain about the advanced concepts, how I do and live analysis in this session. And then I already told, right? So a running trend strategy. So many of the people are giving the calls and they are making the money with those strategies, so that even they are paying a huge charges. I will share that a Google form like that I told, right? This is what the Google form. Hope everybody can see this, right? Can you give a thumbs up if you see my Google form? Okay, thanks. Okay, thanks for your reply. Yeah, this is the Google form actually. So this is a Nifty 500. Total all whatever the 500 stocks are there in Nifty. So it will fetch the data in the live, and then it is having the conditions like whenever it is reached more than 5%. So then where to go long and what is the stop loss and what is the target. It will automatically calculate and it will create. So you don't have that much time to watch 500 scripts. That is the reason I made you in a comfortable manner, so that you have to watch it, the sheet, whatever the signal sheet is there. No? This I am going to explain, and I will share this sheet to the people who is there in the till end of this session, so that I will explain more about this one. Okay, because I don't want to waste other people time, because this is like a secondary strategy, I can say, but the main motto of ours is Elliott Wave, right? That I will explain. Okay, hope everybody can see my screen, right? Yeah, thank you. So today agenda, I will share a live analysis techniques and what is Elliott Wave. Yes, right. Okay, then I will explain from the scratch. Many of the people have been gone through my webinars, right, which I mentioned in the YouTube. So you can go through that videos. I have started from the scratch. Actually, what is share market? Why we need to select a share market? So how a share market like equity market will give us money? Why not other markets? So it starts from the scratch actually. Okay. Then I have gone through the what is Elliott Wave, what about other strategies, lagging and leading indicators. I have explained, and even I have given the live analysis last time also, so that it will be beneficial if you go through that one. So this session it's like some of the advanced session, so that I will share all the techniques which I mentioned in this one, and then I will also tell. Still some of the people are having the doubts that, sir, you are giving sometimes current market price, sometimes you are giving a between, like buy between, sell between here, right? So I will clarify all the doubts. Right? Is this fine, right? So I hope I set the stage so that everybody is comfortable to start the session, right? Fine. So first of all, myself Shrikant. People call me as a Love Elliott. So friends, I want to share one main important thing is that I don't have any other channels and groups other than Elliott Swing Traders and Elliottkipathshala. These two, one channel and group is there, and many of the people are making false or fake IDs and fake groups. So people are entertaining and they are making money. They are taking money from the trainees. So I understand from the two people yesterday, that is the reason I posted. Okay, that is for that's another topic. So let me share about Elliott. So for those who people have joined a fresh one, so that it will be beneficial for them, right? The first one about Elliott Wave analysis. How many of you comfortable English and Hindi? Hindi कितना आदमी comfortable है, English कितना आदमी comfortable है? So that everybody can understand Hindi, you can give the thumbs up so that my Hindi and English दोनों mix करता हूँ. Okay प्रीतम जी, fine. Rajpur, Naraji, yeah. Okay. I think some of the people need Hindi, and okay, no problem. So I will try to complete both in English and Hindi. Okay. चलो मैं अभी Elliott के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ. Elliott is nothing but a emotion-free strategy. Like how it will be. Like many of the people are think that so how a stock will move, whether it is depends on really buying and selling pressure, or maybe the volume, or maybe some other indicators. So how a stock is really going, though the respective stock results अच्छा आया, फिर भी the stock is getting down, though results is good. Infected, right? So suppose the price is up around, consider 1,000 rupees. When more people are coming, this 1,000 rupees directly maybe keep on goes up and down as the supply and demand will be there in the market. At end of the day, it will be reaching to some price. So as Corona comes down, what happens? It will be coming down, right? Price will come down. But again, the wave 2, wave 3, Corona will come. Some people are making some news and they are also getting like they are not healthy. So again, because of this infection, because of this contagious virus. So again, the prices will keep on moves again, right? It will be goes like this. This is a one type of background thing will happen so that the buy stock of any price, not only in the share market, it may be in the offline market. Maybe if you trade for rice or maybe any vegetables, right? So it will happen for end of the day. It will happen this scenario. But if you see in depth, it is like an emotion. Okay, a stock wants to go up when it comes to the IPO, when everybody gets trade and it will go up, and some people are comfortable that even if it is more 5% or 10%, I'm okay with that, right? People are ऐसा सोचता है ओके यहाँ से मेरे को 5% भागे तो भी अच्छा रहेगा और बाद में वो प्रॉफिट बुक करना शुरू करेगा. देन बाद में लोगों को पता है वो सिस्टम वो अच्छा है, वो स्क्रिप्ट अच्छा है, फिर भी हम बाई करें तो भी नो प्रॉब्लम. लाइक दैट व्हाट दे डू, they will again buy from here. Maybe we call it as wave 2, being a technical analyst. So wave 2 से wave 3 जाएगा और बाद में again वो बुक करेगा तो profit. Everybody don't keep the money in the market and every time some until unless they are a long term traders, right? Long term traders. Again FIIs, GAs जो है ना, they will be buying the stocks from wave 1 level, wave 2 level, maybe wave 4 level से stock they lift and they will keep it into the end of the level. And again, even they also exit, even retailers also exit, right? At that time you might have been observed there will be some negative news will come in the stock, right? Again the same way it will fall down into some other zone. From there it will come down and again it will go up, right? It will be a practically, if you ask, if you see what will happen in a higher time frame, maybe consider this is maybe a 1 hour time frame में consider करो. मैं थोड़ा बाहर आके थोड़ा ऊपर से देखना चाहे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये पूरा एक प्राइस यहाँ से यहाँ तक भागा और बाद में यहाँ से यहाँ तक नीचे आ गया और देन यहाँ से यहाँ तक आ गया और थोड़ा which means zoom out. I am making my camera as zoom out. How it will be look like? Then it will be look like this, right? I think many of the people are messaging me. Guys, I will make session end of the day, so I will make Q&A session. Please don't ping me as I will be my view will be go outside. Okay, so we'll continue. So if you go through like this, so the pink color, whatever the line I drawn, it will go from here to here, right? So what I want to say here, it works basically a price action. How many of you know about price action? Price action is nothing but a stock is making a higher rise and higher lows. We call it as a bull market. A stock is making a lower lows and higher lows. Then we call it as a bear market. सो बुल और बेयर दोनों रहता है मार्केट में। जब स्टॉक ऊपर ऊपर भागते रहेगा वो बुल मार्केट बोलता है, जब स्टॉक नीचे लोअर लोस एंड हायर लोस कमते लोअर हाइट्स का बढ़ते आता है तो वी कॉल इट एज ए बेयर मार्केट। हर एक कंसिडर निफ्टी 50 में 50 स्टॉक है, वो 50 स्टॉक बुल मार्केट रहे तो भी वो सब 50 शेयर्स विल नॉट बी इनटू द बाइंग जोन। 50 स्टॉक में मे बी कंसिडर अराउंड इवन स्ट्रॉन्ग बुल मार्केट रहे तो भी 40 स्टॉक्स गोइंग अप, इवन 10 और स्टॉक है वो गिरते आएगा। क्यों है? सब लोग सोचता है अरे यार क्या चीज है, इवन मार्केट इतना 1000 पॉइंट्स भागा फिर भी वो जो 10 स्टॉक है वो नीचे क्यों गिरा? लोगों को ये डाउट आना चाहिए, राइट? सो क्या होता है एक्चुअली, व्हेनेवर ए व्हाटएवर द वेव विल कंप्लीट हो जाएगा ना, दो मार्केट प्लस होने दो या माइनस होने दो, उनको करेक्शन लेना ही लेना। क्योंकि लोगों को पता है जब ए स्टॉक वेव 2 से वेव 3 आया, जब वेव 3 से वेव 5 डायरेक्ट नहीं हो जाएगा, बिकॉज पीपल आर देयर टू बुक देयर प्रॉफिट, बिकॉज टेक्निकल एनालिस्ट को पता है इससे भागने का और कुछ ताकत नहीं है स्टॉक में। So it don't have that much of capacity to go further high until unless it doesn't make a correction. That is the reason people start book their profit and they will wait for the opportunity maybe at wave 2 or wave 4 के पास। जब से ही ऊपर जाएगा, from then only the stock will go up. Okay, this is how a funda works. Even if you ask like a price action trader. Okay, first thing. And second thing, if you are a purely fundamental trader, so how it works? Just now I explained before the price action. This is how it works with the emotion, right? How people's emotion is there, based on that emotion it will work. Okay, it's a like it doesn't need any other extra curricular things that okay a price यहाँ से move हुआ ऐसा नहीं हुआ। It's basically demand and supply के zone से हो जाएगा। This is second technique. And third technique, why the stock will keep moving here means a अभी सपोज इफ आई गो इन डेप्थ, एक्चुअली मैं ये ऐसा बोल सकता हूँ, ये जो रेड वाली लाइन है ना, ये ब्लू वाली लाइन के लिए भाग रहा है। कंसिडर ओके, ये ब्लू कलर लाइन डालता हूँ। कंसिडर ये मेजर वेव ऐसा है, उसमें लाइन स्टॉक डायरेक्ट नहीं जाएगा ना, उसके लिए क्या हो जाएगा, ये वेव 1 ऐसा स्टॉक ऐसा बनते आएगा। जब भी 15 मिनट का टाइम फ्रेम देखे तो मेरे को ये टाइम पे कंसिडर दिस इज वाई एक्सिस, दिस इज एक्स एक्सिस, कंसिडर द मार्केट इज ओपन एट 9:15, मे बी इफ आई एम सीइंग एट 11:15 हियर आफ्टर 2 घंटे के बाद 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम, कंसिडर दिस रेड कलर इज ए 15 मिनट्स ऑफ टाइम फ्रेम, जो ब्लू कलर लाइन है वो कंसिडर एज ए 60 मिनट मे बी 120 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस। ओके, हाउ व्हाट टाइप ऑफ ट्रेडर यू आर। सो 15 मिनट में वेव 2 दिखेगा और 60 मिनट में वेव 1 दिखेगा। बट इफ आई आस्क समवन, भैया कंसिडर दिस आर फार्मा, अरविंदो फार्मा, भैया कौन सा स्टॉक में है, कौन सा वेव में है, somebody will tell wave 2 में है, somebody will tell wave 1, but actually you have to be more conscious about this one, that 60 minutes में wave 1 में है, 15 मिनट में wave 2 में है। स्टॉक यहाँ से यहाँ भागने तक ये क्या हो जाएगा, it will take some directions and it will go up and come down and from there it will go up. Whenever this move completes, until unless this 5 wave move नहीं हो जाएगा, ये blue color wave form नहीं हो जाएगा। But how I know that whether this blue color line is making for a wave 1? That's what matters. For this you have to understand, go into somewhat more depth. Suppose if it is a 60-minute time frame, then you have to go for a 4 hours of time frame, so that इसका 4 गुना और ऊपर जाने का। If you are considering a 240 minutes time frame, उसका वेव देखने के लिए और into 4 times you have to go somewhat higher. जब भी वो आपको पता रहेगा, why I have taken 60 minutes for 15 minutes, it is 4 times lesser. Then only I could able to consider that ये 15 मिनट 60 मिनट के लिए काम कर रहा है। This 15 minutes of time frame is working for 60 minutes. When this 60 minute working time frame is working for 240 minutes, जब आप 240 minutes में जाके आप उसमें देखना पड़ेगा 240 में कौन सा आ रहा है। मीन्स यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम सम कपल ऑफ डेज, मे बी व्हाट इज द हाई, व्हाट इज द लो ऑफ द स्टॉक, वहां से गिनते आने का। वेव 1 कहाँ तक कंप्लीट हुआ, वेव 2 कहाँ तक आया बाद में, और बेस्ड ऑन द फिबोनाची रिट्रेसमेंट बोलता है ना 38%, 50%, 61%, बेस्ड ऑन दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड ये कहाँ तक करेक्शन ले लिया और बाद में कहाँ तक मूव हो गया, उसके हिसाब से वेव 3 में हुआ या वेव 4 में हुआ, आप वो देखने के लिए इट नीड सम टाइम, राइट। देखो आप पूरा टाइम वेव 1 पकड़ने में, वेव 2 पकड़ने में टाइम गए तो you are having only 6 hours of time, you are having a plenty of stock. Consider if you want to trade on the FNO stock, maybe around 144, 145, around 150 say stocks around like that is there. And when you are having a time for analysis and when you will able to trade and when you will monitor for next trades, right? So you will be having some ideas that whenever this stock comes to this level, so that I will buy. So you don't have that much of time. For that reason, we need some advanced concept that okay, मैं ये स्टॉक को करेक्ट टाइम फ्रेम में हर एक स्टॉक चाहिए, एक स्टॉक में हर एक टाइम फ्रेम देखना चाहिए, हर एक स्क्रिप्ट, हर एक वेव देखना चाहिए. So इसके लिए we need some advanced concept. Many people are asking, सर चलो आपने टूल दे रहा है वो फ्री में जो आपका ट्रेन इसको वो अच्छा है, बट एक थोड़ा टाइम के बाद मेरे को ऐसा लगेगा मैं विदाउट टूल मैं काम कर पाएगा हूँगा, ऐसा प्रॉब्लम होगा, उसके लिए मेरे को एडवांस में मैनुअल वेव सिखाओ भैया. वी आर देयर इन द 2021 वेयर it is not, you are not going for writing the exam, right, for to make the money. Nobody will give you appreciation that आपने Elliott Wave में अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट बोल के 20 मार्क का एग्जाम लेके तो आपको nobody will give appreciation. End of the day you need lesser time frame में with a lesser risk में higher reward में कौन सा स्क्रिप्ट को कौन सा टाइम फ्रेम में कौन सा वेव को पकड़ा, that's what matters when you are really want to be more faster and smarter. That is the reason I am using this tool. I have lot many of other ideas to share. Like if you are asking me harmonic, I have spent lot of money in that one. Then Donchian, that I will go through that, right? After this Elliott, I will go also have a look, have a light on that one. So why other strategies are not working? So I will also have a light touch up on that one. Hope everybody understand, right? What is Elliott Wave? इसमें के टाइम फ्रेम के हिसाब से why it is so different, right? ये ऐसा हो जाएगा. So let me close the screen and इसमें मैं इसके लिए मैं अभी तक बोला है ना, मेरा जो टूल यूज करता है ना, ये टूल का यूज करने का means requirement is this one only. I want to catch different of stocks in each time frame with a different waves, right? Hope you are understanding what I am saying. हर एक वेव, let me repeat what my words, what I want to tell you. Please observe. हर एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट डिफरेंट टाइम फ्रेम में कौन सी वेव में है वो पकड़ना इंपॉर्टेंट है, फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंड थिंग, वेव 4 में 15 मिनट में कौन सी स्टॉक वेव 4 में है वो पकड़ना इंपॉर्टेंट है. बिकॉज आई नो वेव 4 में आने के बाद बाई करना, वेव 4 में आने के बाद सेल करना पता है, और आई नो वेव 2 में आने के बाद इधर बाई करना सेल करना मेरे को पता है, बट वेव 2 में कितना स्टॉक्स है या एक स्टॉक वेव 2 में, वेव 2 कब आएगा, यू गॉट इट माई व्हाट आई वांट टू से. सो दिस इज हाउ this is the reason only purpose I using this tool. If you see this one, in between I kept all the symbols which are the what you call FNO symbols, right? These are all FNO symbols which are able to trade in the futures and options market. So because it is having a lot of liquidity, lot of variability, that is the reason many people do trade on these instruments. And if you see the left side, these are all automatic signals like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes and daily time frame में different time frame which the software developer has been developed. So by this the signals will come based on that, so you will be getting to know how to trade. And many of the signals, these are all repainted in normal tool actually. So what happens, so when the stock has gone up, it will be shown. When it is gone stop loss, then it will show as a some mark, small mark will come, but whenever it comes I will share it. Yeah, if you see this one, so here it has been stop loss, that is the reason it comes like this. But having a judgment कैसा लेना ये जो स्क्रिप्ट में ये जो डिफरेंट ऑफ अलर्ट्स आया, ये रेड कलर बोले तो सेल करने के लिए रेडी है, ग्रीन कलर बोले तो बाई करने के लिए रेडी है। बट डिफरेंट स्टॉक में जो अलर्ट आया उसका हाउ टू जज दैट सो दैट मेरा एक्यूरेसी मिनिमम 70% 80% रहना चाहिए। फर्दर मेरे को क्या क्या देखना चाहिए वो हमारा ट्रेनिंग में दिखाएगा। ओके, दिस इज अबाउट फर्स्ट थिंग। सो मैं आपको एग्जांपल लेना बोले तो so I am taking any example, right? So I will see anything like, if you see what is this, I will take this one, Asian Paint. Okay, just I am clicking this Asian Paint, automatically मेरा चार्ट Asian Paint में जाएगा। तो कौन सा टाइम फ्रेम में है? ये जो सिंबल 30 मिनट्स में है। जस्ट आई एम क्लिकिंग 30 on this one। अब देखिए इधर वी गॉट द सिग्नल्स हियर, एसी वाली सिग्नल ये पिछले में इधर आया। देखो आई एम शोइंग वन मोर सिग्नल हियर, दिस इज बीन सिग्नल गॉट, वी हैव गॉट द सिग्नल ऑन 9/7 for 1:15। At that time whenever the signal comes, at that time it will show as a in a alert box। ये जो देखा डब्बा अलर्ट बॉक्स में इंस्ट्रूमेंट एंड टाइम एंड मैसेज, कौन सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट कौन सी टाइम फ्रेम में कौन सा टाइम को क्या अलर्ट दे दिया, क्या मैसेज दे दिया, आपको ऑटोमेशन में ऑटोमेटिकली मिल जाएगा। सो ये कैसे यूज करना and again it is reached for one more entry as per the level, and again going up and again going up, again it is taking the entry. You got it here? If you see clearly observe, before hitting the stop loss it went up to here and again it went down, and from there end of the day it has to go from one wave to another wave, from here to this level it has gone, right? Almost this risk reward is 1:4.4. but a important कब है? When you don't have a time, when you are maybe working from the office, okay, you don't have a time for trade, time for analysis, उसके लिए जो लोगों को ये चाहिए, चलो TS3 के ऊपर सिग्नल आया, I want to trade, so that you can enter here and book the profit and just come out and you can attend your meetings, you can attend your work. This is how you can do it. But there are some guys who want to really make a career in this stock market. For that, we should never ever depend on the signals. Like आजकल सिग्नल आया नहीं आया, we will not depend on them. उसके लिए हम टेंशन ही नहीं लेने का। जो सिस्टम में मजा आएगा हमारे को पूरा राइट साइड वाला। You can see this one, 15 EW, 15 Elliott waves, 30 means 30 minutes of time frame में Elliott wave कैसा है, 60 minute में कैसा है, डेली में कैसा है। If you see example, I will show one example with this one. Okay, इधर देखिए, I will change the color. Yeah, here consider this is a Adani port. Adani port में 15 मिनट में वेव 4 में है, 30 मिनट में वेव सी में है और 60 मिनट में वेव सी में है, डेली में वेव 2 में है। ये जो चार चीज को हम कैसा रीड करना, रीड करके कब एंट्री लेना, मेरे को पता है अदानी पोर्ट सपोज यहाँ से मे बी 100 रुपीज, आई एम गिविंग एग्जांपल, 100 रुपीज से 150 रुपीज आएगा, बट तुरंत करंट मार्केट प्राइस कंसिडर 105 में है, मैं डायरेक्ट 105 में एंटर करूं या 100 आने तक रुकूं, आई शुड वेट फॉर 105 का ब्रेकआउट होने के बाद करूं। दिस विल गिव दिस डाटा, this information will give by this whatever the information which we are providing in the market analysis. These are all the customized thing. So we have been set as per our trading psychology. So this we have been customized so that it will show whatever the scripts will show, and based on the correct having some certain rules, then only it will show signal. Some other things it will not show, that it will be explained in detail so later, right? So this is how it will work. So based on that we need to analysis and you need to work. Like a signal तो आया wave 4 में, but wave 4 है कि नहीं हम चेक करना पड़ेगा, right? It needs just 2 seconds or 3 seconds of time when you got a training. So उसमें हम ट्रेनिंग में ये बोलेगा wave 1 है, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 जो है, और wave 1 में how to judge this whether this stock is at wave 1, सही में wave 1 है क्या नहीं, wave 2 में stock है suppose, consider a Ashok Leyland wave to में red में. So अभी I am just showing example 15 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम में जाके दिखा रहा हूँ. So Ashok Leyland का स्क्रिप्ट आया, मैं 15 मिनट में दिखा रहा हूँ. देखो, I am just understanding whether it's really a wave 2 or not. मेरे को a इम्पोर्टेंस, जब तक मेरे को ये सिस्टम में नहीं दिखाया, until unless having some my trainer or any of the person who has been already discussed with us, so they knows, right? So how to judge it? Even a trainees also understand that when to book this stock, right? Where to take the entry, where to book the profit, and where to keep the stop loss. This is how you have to work. And just now when you enter, I kept one stock so that it will have a beautiful example how a stock look like. You can take any stock. So I'm just making for easy understanding. I'm just keeping here. Okay, this because I have done the last time analysis. So even I can share any of the script in each time frame. Each time frame में हर एक script को हर एक time frame में दिखा सकता हूँ. That's not an issue. If you see in here, why I'm taking it as an example so that you will get a more understanding. Let me make an example with this. Okay. This is a wave 1. This is a wave 2. ये पूरा wave 3 है. यहाँ से wave 4 है. Then wave 5. इसमें भी wave 3 में और एक if you keep observe, is a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. Means wave में wave बनता है. That's what makes a Padmavoo. Padmavoo है few people like when they go enter but they cannot come outside. This is the same way. It's like a same like a Padmavoo. Until unless you are a Arjun. Arjun means a sadhak. Until unless you are not a practice, so you will not come out from this Padmavoo. So उसके लिए हम ये देखना है से सच में wave 2 में wave 1 wave 2 में 2 है क्या या wave 3 में 2 है क्या, उसके हिसाब से when you enter here, do you believe it or not, we have taken a call whenever the stock is ranging at this place. Okay, at this green candle वो करते टाइम पे ही मैं ले लिया. By keeping this stop loss, I know the short term target is this much and long term target is almost up to here, this 1000. You know, this we have been traded, and based on that even the stock we have seen from almost around 350 levels, even 740 550 levels से मैं देखते आ रहा हूँ. So based on, because I am sharing you this example because it is a daily time frame. Even I can show in a short time frame like if you are an intraday player, आप 15 मिनट 30 मिनट में काम करो, so that next 30 मिनट का कैंडल कितना हो जाएगा उतने हिसाब से you have to exit. If you want to be a swing trader, you work with a 1 hour time frame, maybe 45 minutes time frame, maybe like a 2 hours time frame में काम करो, so you can try to exit within 1 week like that. If you are a more swing, like a bigger, so that then if you are investment, then you can go for a higher time frames, like that you have to work it. But the main thing is that मेरे को जब ये स्टॉक अरविंदो फार्मा में डेली टाइम फ्रेम में ये वेव 2 में आते टाइम पे मेरे को सिग्नल आना चाहिए, श्रीकांत दिस स्टॉक इन डेली टाइम फ्रेम इज एट दिस डेट एट दिस टाइम ये वेव 2 में है, आप ये कर सकता है बोल के मेरे को अलर्ट आएगा ना. I don't have any concern to keep this stop loss. Let me make it clear. ये जो stop loss से buy करने के लिए I don't have any issue when I am going to get the profit of this much. That is the reason आपने देखा होगा मेरा channel में group में. That is the reason I could able to give the stocks with 1 rupee stop loss or 2 rupee stop loss में. Even you can get more than 1:5, 1:10 risk reward ratio trades. So this is how I funda. I don't do any other great thing. I am just analysis the chart by using the market analyzer, and I have practiced which is really wave 1, which is really wave 2. If it is a intraday, how to take entry, and if it is a swing trade, so when I have to wait till what time I have to wait, what is the correct entry, profit book करना है, so that this will keep explain, right? So this will keep understanding when you practice. That is the reason. So for our trainees, what we'll do, so we'll ask them to practice at least minimum 10 charts in a day, and once they are comfortable, at least they could able to make almost around 80% of minimum accuracy, then they will fill the feedback form. Once they feel the feedback from this, I am able to make it minimum 80% of accuracy, then we can go for a next training, means next session. So then how a person will understand the 80% accuracy आया, so उसके लिए आज शाम में उन्हें 10 स्टॉक लेता है, जो ट्रेनर बोला वेव 2 में काम करने के लिए, वेव 2 का स्टॉक कॉल करता है, उसमें ड्रा करके रखता है. देन टुमारो मॉर्निंग ही विल हिमसेल्फ एनालाइज इन द मींस वॉच इट इन द लाइव मार्केट. वो सच में वो जो एनालिसिस के हिसाब से चले गया या स्टॉप लॉस हिट हुआ. अगर से 80% of 8 out of 10 of the stocks are hitting the profit, then your accuracy is good. If it is hitting your stop loss, it is very fine that you have a good opportunity to learn more, right? You can ask the trainer to repeat one more time, so that we don't have any problem. We will share you one more time, so that you will be getting a more knowledge and you can go in depth. Then you can further go for a next session like that. So this is how we observe our trainees, so that they will get the same knowledge, same trading technology, same fastness, same smartness जो हमारा को है, the same thing our trainees also will get it. This is what so about Elliott. And then agenda में और एक बोला, right, I did some automation alerts with I will explain, right? Automation में, so क्या automation में बोलूँ, like it's not about Elliott. Many people are even making money, even trend line का breakout आए तो people are making the calls and they're making the money, right? Even RSI breakout, even Donchian breakout. Many of people maybe listen or not, but if you see a big traders, right, even institutional traders, they will work on the RSI, they will work on the trend lines, they will work on the even Donchian channel, right? इसके ऊपर काम करता है. So I will show one thing for all of you, okay? So मेरे पास एक सिस्टम है, मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. Okay, if you can see this one. So here having many things. Don't confuse with this chart that I will explain you in detail. Okay, एक एक के बाद से बोलता हूँ क्या होने का, okay? क्या करने का. देखो ये जो है RSI, okay, this is a, we call it as double twin RSI. So one is a leading and one is lagging, and जब a stock minimum 50 के ऊपर भागते हैं, we call it as a buying. Whenever it is going below 30, it is called as again negative, and 50 to 30 के बीच में रहे तो stock is in lying, like it's stagnant. So this is टेक्नोलॉजी रहेगा. जब ये 50 के ऊपर जाएगा अलर्ट आएगा, 30 के नीचे जाएगा अलर्ट आएगा, right? We will give this for our trainees who is really having a good grip in the RSI. So I can install this tool in that guy, or people are trying in the training. So we are also given to people, okay? So this is one part, right? So you will, it's like not having a RSI, you need to go with some other third party vendor. उसके हिसाब से वो सिग्नल आया, इसके सिस्टम में देखा, जब ट्रेड किया. It's not like that. तुरंत यही सिस्टम में निंजा ट्रेडर में आपको अलर्ट आ जाएगा. जब RSI ऊपर भागा नीचे भागा कहाँ है उसके हिसाब से अलर्ट आएगा. This is the first condition, right? This is the first thing. And second thing, I told you, right, a trend line breakout. ये जो देखा है ना, this is green color line and a red color line. These are all the trend lines, right? जब ये स्टॉक ट्रेंड लाइन का ब्रेकआउट कर दिया, ब्रेकडाउन कर दिया, आपको अलर्ट आ जाएगा. वैसा वाला टूल भी है. Based on that, the people will sell from here. And they will wait for a target, okay, and breakout किया, then a stock जब breakout कर दिए तो वो अलर्ट भी आ जाएगा. And the third thing, it's a super trend, right? Many of the people have been trading with super trend. इधर देखो ये है super trend. This is a super trend. This one, you can see this one. This is a super trend. इधर signal आया. Here we call it as okay. Here this is a entry. Right, and then is the first target and is the second target, and it will take the data automatically, and you will be getting the this one stop loss also here, right? You will be getting the stop loss here, and it will keep on updated, and it will also get an alert which stock super trend में sell किया, which stock super trend में buy किया. This is another thing. And you can see this one, 3 lines. This is a green line, as a black line, and a red line. These 3 lines we call it as a Donchian channel. जब stock Donchian का नीचे से ऊपर भागा, okay, then it will go to the upper level. Whenever it comes down, it will have take the support at the bottom. Red color line means Donchian channel bottom level, and from again it will goes up. Whenever it draws up, and इसका ऊपर से जब भागते रहेगा, इसका अलर्ट आ जाएगा तुरंत इधर ही. Whenever it's breaking down, यहाँ से break करते टाइम पे, so you will be getting alert. You know, there are many things you can we have customized so that it will give a instantaneous alerts. Okay, my everything whatever the alerts के साथ जो है, whoever the people are really interested and they have already worked with this types of systems, मैं उनको free में दे दिया. जो trainees में, even if you have seen Harmonic tool भी, many almost till now I have installed for almost around 86 members in last couple of days. You know, whoever is filled the form and whoever is been helping, like I told many of the people to join your friends so that they will also get benefited. So many of the people have done, and we have installed almost 86 members for a free of cost. We have not taken a single rupee. Okay, so this is how. Why I am telling this, it's not for advertising basically, because why I am not using, why I am giving for free for the people, you know, it frankly telling these are not make the money. If it is really making the money, even many people will be don't go for a IAS, MBBS, they will keep doing the money with this technique only, right? So that is the reason. So I am giving for free, but the only one thing, the king is Elliott only. Everything, all other lagging, these are all lagging indicators. All lagging indicators work for a leading indicator. Like ये सब पूरा कार्मिक everybody जो नीचे वाला रहता है ना, so they are all working for a employee, right? Means employer. The same way Elliott के हिसाब से सब stocks उसके ऊपर ही आ जाएगा. इससे पहले बोला है ना, जब Nifty 50 वो प्लेस में है, फिर भी some of the stocks क्यों नीचे गिरता है? There is no other reason other than this Elliott. जब उसका वेव 3 लेवल वेव 5 में लेवल आया, ऑटोमेटिकली वो नीचे आना ही आना, उसके लिए स्टॉक नीचे गिरता है. जो आगे इवन इफ इज ए बुल मार्केट, इवन इफ बेयर मार्केट, जब पूरा निफ्टी डाउन होते रहेगा, आप देखता होगा बजाज फाइनेंस, बजाज ऑटो, सम ऑफ द स्टॉक्स विल गो अप लाइक 200-300 पॉइंट्स जब मार्केट नीचे गिरता रहेगा. इट डजंट हैव एनी अदर नो ग्रेटनेस इन द स्टॉक, इट्स ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द Elliott only. Got it? But I prefer if you want to really make a career out of the trading, never ever go with this type of techniques. So because I will not suggest to the fresher who is really came into the stock market as a fresher. Better if you want to learn Elliott waves. That's it. So it will really make money, because Elliott ही आपको देगा small stop loss से ज़्यादा reward वाली stock जो पकड़ना है. मीन्स बिकॉज वेव 2 बोले तो इवन 10 मिनट का टाइम फ्रेम में देखो या 60 मिनट का टाइम फ्रेम में देखो या डेली टाइम फ्रेम में देखो, 540 रुपीज का स्टॉक चल रहा बोल तो 540 रहेगा हर एक टाइम फ्रेम में उसका प्राइस, बिकॉज द प्राइस इज वर्किंग फॉर इमोशन, राइट? दिस प्राइस इज गोइंग फॉर ए यू आर फर्दर व्हाट यू कॉल से वेव लेवल के लिए ऊपर जा रहा है. ओके, गॉट इट? Yeah, what else I want to share today? How to select a stock for intraday swing trading, that's what I told you, right? So इसमें दिखाता हूँ. Okay, how to do analysis for tomorrow purpose. मैं कल के लिए simple what I do. You see my screen, right? I think there is no slowness in the writing. You can see here, इसमें बाटा इंडिया वेव 2 में है और 30 मिनट में भी वेव 2 में है. चलो मैं बाटा इंडिया सेलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. Simple, what I do. So I will wait for the stock to come into the wave 2 zone, then I will buy, and by keeping a bottom as a stop loss. But I have some rules so that I have to judge that कौन सी टाइम फ्रेम में क्या हो रहा है. उसके ऊपर का टाइम फ्रेम में सच में वेव 2 है, ये वेव 1 है कि नहीं. हम देखना पड़ेगा. It is having some 3-4 check points. Based on once it is been done, then I can give that, and I, with a small stop loss I can give as a bata and as a buy. You can see here like many of the slips which is mentioned here, right? इधर देखो, simple. इधर wave 2 में आया, ये wave 1 है, wave 2 में आया. I am giving a old example, right? So this is how I do it. wave 2 में आया, जब wave 3 का टारगेट आएगा, so मैं ड्रा कर रहा हूँ आपके लिए. Just I am keeping a wave 1 का wave 2 का हिसाब से I am drawing a target of wave 2 to wave 3. This is my target, this is my entry, this is my stop loss. Let me take a screenshot. Consider this is my 1675 my entry. This stop loss is for people who don't have advanced concepts. So you can able to understand where is the exact stop loss with a lesser risk. You can able to judge it. Okay. So itna consider even if you take the higher as a stop loss, wave 1 का top जो है वो stop loss ले दो 25 rupees stop loss से how many points here is consider this is a line. So 1595, 25 rupees stop loss से 1675 almost around consider 16, almost around 175 points, means 25 points आपका stop loss है, 175 points is your target. It's almost like more than even consider 8 times or 9 times, sorry, 7 times, right? 7 times it is having the 1:8 risk reward ratio. This is the only main funda I give the calls in the live market. So you can ask questions like how will you get Bata India came into this your buy level, mid sell level. Just what I told you, right? I will get a alert here. So उसका alert का box भी मैं हमारा channel में और group में डाला. वो alert कैसे दिखेगा? So इसमें alert आएगा तुरंत मैं I will do means proper verification that whether it's a wave 1 or wave 2 based on some 3 to 4 checkpoints, and after confirmation I will give call in this one. So it obviously even if it is lose, even if it's the stop loss, I don't have any worry, because if I lose I will lose a small only, but if I get win I will get in a bigger way, right? 8 times I will make the money. So that this 8 rupees will save my next 8 trades, so that my stop loss will be keep in tight, so that I can work and I can trade in the share market without having any stress and fear and greed. So I know where to entry, where to exit, and where to book the profit. I know clear before I take the trade, because I don't have any fear. I have that much confidence in my call दे रहा हूँ. That is the reason I was able to make it, right? So what else I told? So these are example like how I do it, right? So Q&A I will make it at the end, right? And Q&A में मैं आपको बोलना चाहता हूँ. Actually आप क्या what is really want from us? You want a calls, you want a training session. So what you want basically? So मैं आपको, so that last time poll भी किया था. Many of the people are asking a webinar. Some people are told the calls. So based on that I am giving both. Both knowledge session I am making. So still if you are having anything, you can send a personal message to me. Based on that whatever the many queries रहेगा, based on that I can conduct further sessions to make you help more, right? So hope many people have been started using this harmonic tool, so that even so once tomorrow live data opens, so they can able to trade with whatever the different of bad pattern कब है, crop pattern कौन सी time frame में आया, उसका alert भी मैं पूरा install करके दे दिया था, so that आप उसके ऊपर भी काम कर सकते हो. If you are really having a good grip on the harmonic, you can trade it. But I'm a big fan of Elliott. If you ask me out of all other things, I will definitely choose Elliott only. Okay. I don't have any concern to share whatever the pre-knowledge is there. I'm ready to share. Right. The last part about today is like a running trade strategy. So why I'm taking this running trade strategy? Many of the people is been, if you have been observed. चलो इससे पहला मैं और एक बोलता हूँ. So that many of the people have been asked, सर आपने कॉल दे रहा है करंट मार्केट प्राइस या लेऊं या बेटवीन का कॉल ले लिया, उसके ऊपर से कैसा काम करूं? देखो मैं जब करंट मार्केट का प्राइस जो दे दिया, सपोज मार्केट में मीन्स इफ ए कॉल, कंसिडर दोज आर रेडी टू move from that place only. Means it is having the real momentum from that place only. So at that time I will keep a stop loss, means a running stop loss. Okay, and if I give the between levels, consider buy X stock between 50 to around 30 rupees, 30 to 50 rupees. So if you are having the money of around 50,000 rupees, 25,000 फर्स्ट लेवल में 50 रुपीज में बाई करने के लिए रेडी रहो. सपोज 50 से उसका टारगेट 75 समझो. लेट मी ड्रा फॉर मोर क्लैरिटी बिकॉज स्पीकिंग इन द एयर नोबडी विल अंडरस्टैंड. मैं बोला सो यू बाई इन दिस रेंज राइट 50 एंड 30. मैं बोला टारगेट इज अराउंड 75 and stop loss if I give as a 27 rupees or 26 rupees. मैं ऐसा दे दिया. इसमें क्या करने का, if you are having 1 lakh एक ही डब्बा में मत रखो, 1 लाख तो एक ही ट्रेड में मत रखो. 25,000 4 times means 4 times आप डिवाइड करें तो 25,000 एक स्टॉक हो जाएगा. एक ट्रेड में आप उसमें एंट्री करवा दो ताकि फर्स्ट एंट्री 50 में सपोज 12,500 रुपीज में इन्वेस्टमेंट करो. This let if it is moves from 50 to 75, okay for us, it is given money. If it is gone depth and it is reached up to 30 level, add 12,500 here, and from there it will go up here, because whatever the calls I am giving, all the calls based on I can mention in the live that people is having really taking the trades. They are messaging me and I'm told I'm उनको बोल रहा है. Okay, so this is how I take the trade. And some people are asking, so what is CBSL? CBSL means a closing based stop loss. Okay, जब ये suppose a 26 के consider एक candle है, रेड वाली कैंडल 26 CBSL means 26 के रुपीस के नीचे एक कुछ कैंडल इसके नीचे क्लोज हुआ, जब यू कैन कंसिडर दिस इज हैविंग द स्टॉप लॉस हिट हुआ. बट सम ऑफ द कैंडल कैसा रहता है, इट विल मेक ए विक हियर. दो आपका स्टॉप लॉस हिट हुआ बट यहाँ से और एक लोगों का स्टॉप लॉस का के देन स्टॉक विल गो अप. दिस इज द रीजन यू शुड नॉट एग्जिट फ्रॉम दिस ट्रेड. So that is the reason CBSL बोल के अपडेट कर रहा हूँ. CBSL means closing basis stop loss. Until unless candle is closing below the respective level, you can consider that as a stop loss. Or else if it is hitting, is a live stop loss we call it. Live stop loss को कभी नहीं पकड़ने का जब मैं break win वाला trade देते टाइम पे. But when I am giving a current market price, you consider always a live stop loss. Okay, that anyhow I am updating all things. You will come to know, right? So this is how. So hope many people are asking this doubt so that I could able to clarify their doubt. And then I'm running